So we'll touch upon the discussion points you can see on your screen now. What does the SQE require us to know? And behind that, what does the SRA do? And why is there a regulatory interest in the holding of client money? And where are we going to find the standards that we must meet in respect of this topic? Of course, that's in the accounts rules, and we'll spend a significant amount of time in this webinar going through those, but it's also in the SRA principles and codes, and an explanation of that, I think, is important to your understanding of this topic. I want to run through the common misunderstandings with the accounts rules and what happens if there are breaches of the accounts rules, the consequences of unethical behaviour. So neither I nor, in fact, anyone else would be able to teach you absolutely everything about the accounts rules in a 1-hour webinar. But what I can do is introduce you to the key points and give you enough information with which to take your next steps. And again, the basic requirements aren't set out. We just get clues from the headings of each section of the accounts rules now. But previously, in the 2011 rules, there was a section, because there were more words that we used, to set out what the basic requirements of accounts rules compliance is. And I don't think it hurts. There seems no reason not to remember what was explicitly stated in those previous rules. Because again, to my view, these are still valid, a good starting point for your consideration of applying knowledge to SQE assessment questions and so on. So here you are. Here are some of the basic requirements. Keep other people's money separate from your money. Put it in a client account. A client account is a pooled account, by which I mean that lots of different clients' money sits together in one account, but you can only use each client's money for their matter. Do the same with trust work and have accounting systems so that you know what you're doing with each client's money.